Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny.
This out. Write your Christmas list right now. Write your vision list. Write out what you want your life. Don't worry about how much it costs.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Monday reset. I'm starting my day off with my boyfriend taking me out to eat. Okay. Then I'm gonna hit up the grocery store and get some groceries so that I can cook a meal for this week and have my fruit as my snack. If you know, you know, a reset is never relaxing. It's more so getting things in place so that the week can be much smoother. At least that's how I see it, because I was so busy cooking, making hair products, therapy, working out, different things like that. So my Monday reset or Sunday reset, whenever I do decide to reset, I don't really get to reset the way that I need to. But I'm sure in the future, as I continue to grow and balance my time, I will be successful at getting through the day and having an actual relaxed day.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, gotta.
Hey y'all, instead of a Sunday reset, we are doing a Monday reset because Sunday just didn't go as planned. It's Monday, still started off on a late track, but I'm here and I'm still gonna reset. So my boyfriend took me out to eat this morning. We tried this pho place. We didn't like our food. We tried a pho place before and we liked it, but this time we tried this one. We didn't like it. It was too salty. It was just too much going on. It was a waste, but I'm about to cook. So he's gonna have something good to eat, and so am I. I went to the grocery store, as y'all can see. So I'm about to start cooking, and I have therapy soon, so I'm just gonna try to speed through everything. I need to wash my hair, so I'm probably gonna braid it down and stuff, or two-strand twist it. I'm not sure. I just got some things to do as far as personal care. So yeah.
Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, need me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. they'll be calling us gold.
I done messed up the noodles, y'all. Because all the big pots for cooking the noodles were occupied. It's good, but I messed up the noodles. Oh my God. Hey y'all. Now it's time for therapy. I had to wrap my hair up and stuff, twist, braid, so that I won't be sweaty out when I get to this gym tonight. So I'm going to therapy, then I'm gonna hit the gym. Then I got to stop at Walmart. Where else I gotta stop? I think Walmart and one other place, and then I gotta go home, finish cleaning up what I didn't finish cleaning up from cooking, make products. It's just like, they say reset, but it's still a productive, like every day is freaking productive for me. Like it feel like I gotta do something every day. That's bad, but I do have to do stuff every day. Hey y'all, I decided to come and work out in a rich neighborhood just so I can manifest the type of house I'm gonna live in, the type of neighborhood I'm gonna live in, the type of amenities and accommodations that I'm gonna have, period. Because I'm a successful business owner, baby. That's what it's all about. Discipline and mindset training. So I'm out here walking, running. I'm running like at the circles, or if I've been walking too long, I am out of breath though. I should have calmed down before I got up here and talked to y'all, but I'm so excited and I wanted to share this with y'all. So yeah, I almost made it to 2 miles. I was like, I'm so close to 2 miles, like so close, but I need to hit the gym now, get the weights. So this was good.
Working 8 a.m. round 5. I don't like you favor and you showing off, but it's alright.
Make a move, make it matter.
Hey now,
Well, I guess we can play now. Blend my family way now. Put your Latina sway now.
and I done already had one incident, baby. I cannot afford another. Okay, I can't. So I'll see y'all when I get home. I'm gonna enjoy this music by myself. See, this is what I'm talking about. People breaking randomly. Like, let me keep my eyes on the road. Bye, y'all.
Now I am making products. I am restocking our Glow and Grow butter because it is the winter season and the goal is to sell a lot of products. So I want to make sure that I have a lot in stock so that people can continuously purchase with Shenanigans Hair Tea, period. And if you haven't already, follow us on our social medias, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or check out our website if you're feeling generous. And yeah, we got some natural handmade hair and beard care products. just cleaning as I go because I'm not trying to be up all night. But this Monday reset turned into a productive Monday instead. And it's okay. It's okay though, because I feel great and accomplished when my things are lined up and in order, and when I checked off some of the boxes for the week. So I made my pasta before I went to therapy. Now I just needed to make my vegetables. So I am steaming up some kale to go with my pasta for the week because you got to get that veggie intake. I really didn't want to make pasta, but I couldn't really think of what else that I wanted to cook. And of course, I am plant-based, or I cook plant-based, as I should say. So it'd be kind of hard for me to think of what I want to eat for the upcoming week. So I just came up with pasta. And plus, my boyfriend liked this pasta, and so does my little brother. And they both been talking about it for a minute. So I was like, I'll go ahead and make that.
since I can't think of anything else. The meal prep is done. I got my meals packed for the week for when I'm at work. I also packed something for my brother and for my boyfriend. Now I'm about to wash my hair before I go to bed. And that's the end of this reset vlog. Y'all stay tuned. Please check out the shenanigans, okay? We have shampoo bars, glow and grow butter, and so much more. I have been on my hair journey for a long time, and even with being on my hair journey with having this business, I have still learned a lot, still have damaged my hair in certain ways. Like I did locks, I did a lot of protective styles that really pull off my hair, and just you know if you know, because our curls are very precious and they really need to be taken care of. My hair doesn't need a lot of manipulation, so yeah, I feel like I'm just starting from scratch all the time.